Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rinku Handcrafts. Today we are going to see how to make a cute and mini crochet Santa hat ornament for Christmas. So let's start. Now to start, first we will create a magic circle. So for that, hold your yarn like this, make a loop here and make one cross here. Now take your hook and insert your hook in the cross, pull the yarn and pull the same yarn and make one slip stitch here to create a loop. And now here you can see our magic loop is created. Just pull this loose end to make it smaller so that it will be easier to work in the loop. Now to start our round one, first make two chains here, one and two. And now we are going to make total 8 double crochet stitches in this magic circle. And this chain 2 that we did, this we will consider as one double crochet stitch. So total we are going to make 7 double crochet stitches. So for a double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook in the magic circle, pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn from first 2 loops and then pull the yarn from next 2 loops. So here our first double crochet stitch is done. Now I'll make second one, yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn from first 2 loops and then pull the yarn from next 2 loops. So now here you can see we have these 2 double crochet stitch plus this chain, so 3 stitches we have, and this we will make total 8 stitches here. And then once I'm done with that, then I'll meet you back here at the end. And now here my 8 double crochet stitches are done, 7 double crochet stitches plus 2 chains. And now to close this circle, I'll pull this loose end like this, so this circle will be closed. And now to complete our round, we will make a slip stitch on this top of this second chain that we did initially. So you can simply insert your hook below this chain, this V loop like this, and pull the yarn from first loop and then pull the yarn from next loop to make a slip stitch. And now here you can see our round one is completed. Now for round 2, again make 2 chains. And now in this round 2 we are going to increase our stitch count by double. So here we have total 8 double crochet stitches. Now in this round we are going to make total 16 double crochet stitches including this chain. Now for that, here we are going to make one double crochet stitch in the same loop where we did our chain. So it will be total 2 stitches in the same loop like this. And now again in this next loop we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches. So in each of this loop we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches, so we will get the count of 16 stitches at the end. So like this you can follow the sequence, and once you are done with that, then I'll meet you back here at the end. And now here I have made my 16 double crochet stitches. Now to join our round 2, I'll make slip stitch on this second chain from the bottom. Like this the slip stitch is done and our round 2 is completed. Now for round 3, again chain 2, 1 and 2. And now in this round 3 also we are going to increase our stitches, but for that we are going to follow the sequence. So in round 2 we did total 16 double crochet stitches, and in round 3 we are going to increase our stitches by 8, so it will be total 24 stitches. For that the sequence we are going to do is 2 1 2 1 2 1. So in this we did chain 1, that will be 1 stitch. Now in the same loop we are going to make one more double crochet stitch here, so it will be total 2 stitches in one loop like this. Now in this next loop we are going to make one double crochet stitch like this. Now in this next one we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches in the same loop. And in this next one, 1 double crochet stitch. So like this we will follow the sequence of 2 1 2 1, and once you complete your 24 stitches, then meet me back here at the end. Now here I have completed my round 3 with 24 stitches, and I have joined my round with slip stitch. Now for round 4, make 2 chains, and in this round we are not going to increase our stitches. We will keep the same count of 24 stitches, and we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each of top of this stitch. So like this we will complete round 4 and 5 with 24 stitches. So here I'll start my round 4 first. So for that I'll make 1 double crochet stitch in this next loop, and then 1 double crochet stitch in this next loop. So like this we will follow the sequence, and we will complete 2 rounds, that is round 4 and 5 with 24 double crochet stitches each. And once you complete your round 5, then you can meet me back here at the end. Now here I am about to finish my round 5 with 24 stitches, and now to complete this round I'll make a slip stitch on this second chain from the bottom, but instead of red yarn I'll use white yarn here to have a smooth transition for the next round. So like this, make a slip stitch with white color yarn here, like this. Pull the yarn from this first loop, and then pull the yarn from second loop. So here you can see our slip stitch is done, and you can pull all these loose ends to make the stitch tight. And now we will use this white color yarn for our next round. So again, for next round, make 2 chains here, 1 and 2, and we are going to repeat the same pattern of 1 stitch in 1 loop, 1 double crochet stitch in each loop here till we complete total 24 stitches. Now here I am about to finish my round 6. Now to complete this round I'll make a slip stitch on top of this second chain, like this. Make a slip stitch here, and then make 1 more slip stitch here in the next loop or top of the next stitch to have a smooth finish. Now you can chain 1 to secure it, and now keep this end a little bit longer so that you can weave it at the end. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, then please give a big thumbs up. Please share my channel with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon in the next one. Merry Christmas and a very happy new year to you all. Thank you.